These pimples are painful and hard to get rid of, but I have a little hack for you that helped me when I was having acne. This will help you to get rid of the red inflamed acne as fast as possible and without any injections. All you need is aloe vera gel ice cube and salicylic acid treatment. You are going to take your aloe vera gel ice cube, and let's say I have a pimple in this area. I am going to leave it on for 5 minutes. I feel like my brain is ready. By the way, I demonstrated how to make this in a previous video. When we have inflamed acne, basically we have a tiny localized fever. It is because the tissue is very hot and swollen. It is very hard for the active skincare to be absorbed deeply into the skin. So the active ingredients in the skincare don't really work as they should. Putting the aloe vera ice in that inflamed area will help to reduce the inflammation, and is also antibacterial, smoothing the area, opening up a pathway so the skincare can finally be absorbed into your skin. After you finish applying the ice cube, apply your salicylic acid and just tap into the area. Then you will notice a big difference, and your pimple will be eliminated in 2 or 3 days.